for my little boy.
Oh, you know what? Okay.
He's so excited about it.
Bring him over, we need trouble. When I was a kid, I used to play with, I used to play rocks and all that, now I'm driving him.
I know, he wants to do it too. He wants to do all this.
Yeah. Oh, no, not do it. It's cool.
Okay, Noah, you see? Right into the truck. The big shovel is moving it right into the truck, Noah. And there are a lot of workers here. And they're doing a great job. They're digging up the street. They have to fix the street, Noah. Leia, do you see the tractor? Okay. Bye. Saw you on the picture with the matzah with Zoe. We'll see you later. Bye.